How to activate eSIM on iPhone. Let's get started. Make sure your iPhone supports eSIM. First, check your iPhone model. eSIM is supported on all models starting from iPhone XR and iPhone XS Anywhere, including iPhone 11 to iPhone 17. Open the Settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. You cannot activate an eSIM using mobile data or another cellular plan. Once you are connected, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Now tap Add eSIM. If this is your first eSIM, you might see a button that says Set up Cellular Plan instead. You'll now see a few different options: transfer from nearby iPhone, use QR code, enter details manually. If you have an older iPhone with an active eSIM, tap this option, transfer from nearby iPhone. Keep the old phone unlocked and nearby. Your new iPhone will detect and transfer the eSIM automatically. If your carrier provided a QR code, tap this option. Hold your iPhone over the code to scan it. If your carrier sent you manual settings like an SIM, DP plus address and activation code, tap this and enter them manually. These are usually a long string of letters and numbers. Enter them exactly and tap Next. Once the information is verified, your iPhone will connect to the carrier network and activate the eSIM. You'll see the new line show up under Cellular Plans with the carrier name and options like Wi-Fi calling, SIM pin and line activation status. Make sure the line is turned on and you are all set. Your eSIM is now active and ready to use. You can use it as your primary or secondary line depending on how you set it up. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.